else does I think I know.
What is
It's a monster. It's a monster like this.
Sounds like a zombie, yeah, kind
Yeah.
of actually.
It's like a mummy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like he gave up. He was like, I can't do it anymore. I can't catch people. It's like that. Can't catch any more people. Birdies.
Close.
That I know. Oh, bats!
It's bat, yeah. The giant bat.
Giant bat.
Giant bat chittering. Yep.
Ooh. Ooh.
This I'm sure you all know.
Owl.
Yep.
Ooh. Ooh.
What is it?
Sun walking.
Nope.
Sun shooting.
No.
That I don't know. Sun taking a ball.
No.
Or dribbling.
No.
Sun doing like
Heartbeat.
again.
Yeah.
That's cool. What else is there? What else is there? I know. It's aliens again.
Yeah, you're
Aliens
right.
again. Okay, this is hurting my ears. It's hurting my ears. Okay, it's hurting my ears so much. What now? So playing the piano.
Yes.
God. Okay, play piano. They're playing piano. Oh, okay. I know. A bee.
No.
Wasp.
No.
A mosquito.
It's kind of aliens again. Different one.
Some broke something.
Mm-hmm.
That was not scary. This some broke something.
Down books.
What is that? I know. Some killing people.
No.
That I don't know. I don't know.
It's an electric sparks.
Oh. Electric?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay, what about this one?
Some ironing. Some kind of.
Just wait a little bit. This is longer, so wait a little bit.
I know. It sounds like putting like some water or something. Tell me.
It's monster coming to life. It's like Frankenstein.
Like.
Yep.
That scary one. What was the scariest one? scary at all.
Okay, what about this one?
Water.
Close.
Fish making bubbles.
Close.
Turtles making bubbles.
Close.
Nothing making bubbles.
So witch's brew. Witches is preparing something.
Oh yeah, now I know. They put like mushrooms and stuff and stuff.
Yeah.
Stuff and stuff. Stuff and stuff. Stuff and stuff and stuff. So I'm putting water.
Close.
Someone's washing dishes and putting them back.
No. It's a witch making potion.
Storm! Just storm!
Yes.
Help somebody! There's a storm! Everybody go! Go back in your house! Go! I'm serious! Go! 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 Okay, everybody went. Ooh, it's nice and sensible. Nice and sensible. Again, aliens? The wind!
No.
I don't know.
It's a meat locker. It's not that scary.
Yeah, it's not scary at all. This I know.
What is it?
Ghost.
No.
Scary car.
No.
House. I don't know.
It's wind.
Scary wind. Big storm.
Thunder.
Everybody go back into your house again! Go! Go, 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 go. Go! Again, there's more. Go, everybody, go. Sun watching the... No, storm again.
It's thunder and the rain.
Go, everybody, go! Are you going? No, okay, go then! This quickly, there's gonna be lightning and time. Go! Go, everybody, are you going?
That's scary. That's a scary sound. Oh my gosh. How about this one?
Son, cutting a tree!
Good.
Run!
Chainsaw, yeah.
Give me something! I have to hide onto it. Down to the soul, but I can't. Son opening present?
Nope.
I don't know. Son breaking some like
Nope.
Son ears hot. Yeah?
It's a bullwhip. It's like a whip.
Oh, it's like bouncing. Boom, 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 boom. Son cutting?
Close.
That I don't know. Tell me.
Let's try. This will be similar.
Some like has like something to cut trees and then it's scraping like on the chalkboard.
No.
Pig!
It sounds like it, but
Pig! Pig!
no.
Superhero!
They are all the same. The last three are the same. Someone was sharpening the knife.
Oh. Aliens. Aliens?
No.
That I don't know.
Like a bubbling laboratory
I don't know what would.
lab, like when they prepare different chemicals.
What is lab?
Where they prepare different chemicals, scientists work in the lab.
What is lab?
I'll show you.
You saw me no recorded? Okay, that's water. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's like making something? Oh.
It's a sci-fi lab.
Mm. It's scary, right? Baby crying?
No.
Police?
Kind of could be, but
Monkey?
it's a siren. Alarm.
I don't know.
Sounds like a siren, like an intruder alert. Okay.
Ooh. No idea. Something like. Like a witch doing something like magic?
It's kind of like a scary piano harp effect.
Oh, I'm going to do some piano and some. I don't know. Piano. Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah?
it's a piano
Yes?
harp.
Or
Yeah.
no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Piano
Yes or no?
harmonizing.
Yes or no?
What else?
No, I don't know. Who knows? We did this, I think. I think we did this, right?
I think so. Maybe we did. Maybe.
Piano, I think.
Yes. It is piano.
It is piano. It is piano. It is piano. It is piano.
I think we did all of them.
Yee!
So
We
I
got to
think
do a lunch break.
Yeah.
Lunch break for eating.
No lunch break.
You guys still have a lunch break for watching. Wolves!
Wolves are coming for lunch.
That's amazing. I don't know what it is.
Okay, guys, we'll finish here. Hopefully, you enjoy those scary and
I
weird
thought we
sounds.
already did it.
And we did. That's why we're finishing. We've done all of them.
Oh.
So we're done. That's a scary sound now. Okay.
That's what you need to do, guys.
That was Nadia's sound. The scariest sound of all.
That was his sound.
No, his sound.
Everybody, there's a ghost nearby. There's eagle nearby. There's eagle nearby. There's eagle nearby.
Okay, guys, we'll finish. Thank you for watching. I
Yeah,
hope
bye.
you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was fun.
Okay, bye-bye now.
Bye.